Simon here. In this video we'll be looking at how to remove a CV from a Toyota 4-wheel drive in about 10 minutes. Out on the tracks using nothing more than basic hand tools. Let's get into it. Okay, this is the procedure you'd use to take out the CV joint if you're stuck on the side of the track. Because you've blown a CV, you're not rebuilding it, you just want to get a CV out and you just want to get back onto the track. Okay, first thing, take off your freewheeling hub. You'll notice this is on the free setting as well. Keeps it all together. Okay, so you grab your snap ring tool, put the gap at the top, and remove the snap ring. So all you have to do at the front. Let's move around to the other side. Once the hub's been removed, you need to get the caliper off, and you need to disconnect the ball joint there. Just 2 17mm at the back. You'll notice I've already pulled the braided line off this one because it's an aftermarket one and it interferes. Your standard one won't interfere. So all you do is you pull the brake caliper off, tie it up out of the way with a zip tie or something similar. And I'll pull the rotor clear. Pop off the ball joint. I've already pulled the split pin out. You might have to break the ball joint. This is a ball joint breaker. And clear it off. There we go. Ball joint's now free. Okay, let's head around to the back. Around the back you'll need to get rid of the wiper. There's half a dozen little 10mm around the edge, and they'll need to all be removed. 3 on the other side as well. Okay, still 2 steel retainers need to be removed. We've got the felt, the rubber, and then we've got the steel sitting in there too. I'm off to pop him out with a screwdriver. No, there he goes. Okay, onto the top. There's 2 17mm bolts up top here. They'll both need to come completely out. Now, a tip for young players, in between this surface and this surface here, there's usually a shim, and that's used to adjust the bearing preload in between the top and the bottom. Watch out for the shim and make sure you put it back in when you're reassembling. Okay, onto the bottom. There's 4 bolts from the underside here. Now just inside here you can see this cone washer here. Occasionally you'll get lucky and they'll just drop out. Occasionally you'll have to either get a brass drift and belt on the end of the stud, or alternatively get your BFH and give the steering arm up here a bit of a whack. Either way that'll pop them out. Okay, so we'll get to and take that arm completely off the bottom. Back around the front again. That's 2. Almost there. And off she comes. Same thing at the top here. And again, that might need some convincing. Now you've got that bearing support out, time to remove the whole assembly. Just lift it up, pull it out, to expose your CV. There's your CV. Pull it out. Now if you're going to reassemble it without the CV, get a piece of rag and chuck it in there to stop all the oil and whatnot from coming out. Pull all the bits and pieces out, reassemble it, ready to go on your way. Well done.